We are going to solder a wire to a terminal rod. You start out by being ready, have the solder in your hand, wipe the iron on the sponge, on the wet sponge, to remove any oxide or residue. Apply a little bit of solder to the iron to tin it, and that solder serves a heat transfer medium. And then you apply the solder to the end of the wire, running the iron along it to tin it. Now, you have to make a little hook in the end of the wire. And once again, you repeat the operation. Wipe the iron on the sponge, tin it, apply the heat to the joint, apply the solder, take away the iron, and let the joint set until the solder is solidified, and we're done.